Hi, Doc Mountain here, and I'm gonna show you how you can actually create a Telegram channel. So for you to be able to create a Telegram channel, open Telegram, then click that icon, the pencil icon, which is in the bottom right corner. Then from there, uh, what you need to tap on create channel, punch in the name of the channel. What's the name of the channel? So I want it to be Nikki Live. Nikki Live. So all the people who have Nikki Live installed on their phones and those who are interested in learning about Nikki Live would need to join this channel. Okay, then I need to enter the description, the one that will help people learn what the channel is all about. So how should that be? Grow from novice to a living legend. A living legend. Or Nikki Live. Okay, so from here I can now upload the pic. You know, pics are actually catchy. You simply click the pic icon and it will take you to your gallery. You search for the pic that you need to upload, so that by just looking at the pic, people are able to tell, wow, this is what the channel is all about. So the empire, and there it is, it's uploaded. So now from here, what is it that I have to do? I would need to actually make sure that the channel is public, not private. If it happens to be private, people won't be able to find it unless those I invite. And then I need to punch in the link by which I'll be able to invite other people to follow the channel. So now that one is already taken, so I need to add on something. See, and it has agreed. It's available, so I can click submit. Okay, beautiful. So now from there, you have to add subscribers. You can pick on a number of people who are on Telegram. So there we go, Abraham Aston. Now need to add on more people. More people. Walia, Kado, the people with interest in learning about Nikki Live. So there we go. I'm still adding some people here. Freddie Tembo. There we go. We have Gladys Nikki. Okay. Lelwe. The language. Then I can click, when I'm done, I can click the arrow, which is at the bottom there, pointing to the right, after adding as many people as I can. Okay, Lumber. Then we can also add on Madame Scoviso, Madame Coney. These are the people that I feel these people could actually love to learn about Nikki Live. And I'm also adding on people already on Nikki Live. Mike Chomi, Monica. Still checking on, yeah, my Angie. Okay, Nikki Dude, NSK Live. Riri at the bottom there. Stanislas Zimber Wave. So now when you're done, you can click the arrow pointing to the right and you'll be brought here. And then, and you're good to go. You're good to go. You're good to go. And there you go. You have actually created the channel. So that's how we do it. If you've liked the video, remember to hit subscribe and don't forget to share with other people. So the name of the channel is The Empire. As simple as that.